So, you've sold your gold, you've protected your profits, but now comes the real challenge. How do you grow your money without risking it all? Just a quick note, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Let's get into it. Building wealth isn't about finding the next big win. As we've mentioned in the previous video, it's about finding the right balance between safety and growth. Most people think that to grow their wealth, they need to take big risks. But smart investors, they think differently. They know that money has two jobs. One, to protect what you've already earned, and number two, to multiply it over time. The key is not to choose one or the other, it's to make both work together for you. Here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine your money split into three buckets, 1, 2, and 3. Bucket number 1, safety. This is your cash, savings, and emergency fund. It doesn't grow much, but it gives you peace of mind. Bucket number 2, growth. These are your long-term investments, index funds, ETFs, maybe even real estate. These investments grow steadily over time. Medium risk with the possibility of good returns. Bucket number 3, opportunity. This is your flexible fund. Risk for reward. Bigger the risk, bigger the reward. This is the bucket for when new chances come up, like starting a business or investing in something you believe in. When you balance your buckets, you are not gambling anymore. Now, you are managing. And that's what separates smart investors from emotional ones. Honestly, chasing high returns feel exciting until one day it doesn't. Real wealth is quiet, patient, and consistent. So, if your goal is to grow money without losing it, start by protecting your base, then grow from a position of strength. Play it smart, stay consistent, and grow without losing it. Now, I have spoken a bit about bucket number 1 and bucket number 2, especially when it comes to gold in the previous video. But I've only spoken a little about bucket number 3. Earlier, I made a video about side hustles. But in my next video, I will speak more about bucket number 3, how you can somewhat safely have a medium risk and high returns. When that video is ready, I'll have the link for it here. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. I will be posting that video very soon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.